Hello everybody, I'm trying to take some photos around here, and sometimes I take photos or videos from my cell phone, but today I decide to go out and use my camera. This is a Nikon. I just bought it. I'm just trying to see if I can go and take some photos around here in the trees. It's a little cloudy, but it's still I can try. I'm not a professional. When you see my videos or my other stuff or my photos, you can see I just learning. I got hard time, but most of the time I do it through my cell. But today I decided to take photos. This is a Nikon Coolpix B600. I just got it just recently. This is my equipment. I'm trying to practice. I hope you guys had a wonderful day in here in the cold weather of Florida. Have a wonderful day.